Baked spaghetti is a perfect way to indulge in a cheesy, meaty pasta dish that's made into a casserole. Preparing this ahead of time and simply popping it into the oven will make you fall in love with it even more, because it is that homemade, quick and easy dinner that can be made in advance. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to make today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. This is a baked spaghetti dish, so the first thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9x13 casserole or baking dish. Next thing we need to do is cook 16 ounces of spaghetti pasta. If you want to use a different variety like vermicelli or angel hair, that also works great. In a large stock pot of boiling water, salt it generously and boil the pasta according to the package instructions for al dente pasta. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a large deep skillet over medium-high heat. Add in 1 pound of ground beef. You could also use Italian sausage or ground chicken or ground turkey, whatever is your favorite. Then go ahead and season it with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper and break it up as it cooks for about 5 minutes. Add in diced onions from 1 medium onion and saute that for about 5 minutes until the onions are softened and more translucent and the ground beef is thoroughly cooked. Next, we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, which is about 5 cloves worth, and 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Stir that in and let those ingredients toast for about 2 minutes. Next, add in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of basil. Stir that together and bring that to a simmer. Then reduce that heat to low for just a few more minutes. Now that's all we need to do to make this simple, delicious meaty sauce. But if you wanted to add in any extras like mushrooms or zucchini or olives, those are great additions as well. Once the pasta is cooked to al dente, add it into the meat sauce and carefully stir to combine that. Pour that into your lightly greased 9x13 pan. Then top it with 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and at least 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, but feel free to add as much as you want. Then we're going to bake this for 20 minutes, uncovered in our preheated oven until it's nice and bubbly. Serve that while it's hot and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.